Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to today's video. From the title of this video, we are going to prepare Mukimo, a very famous Kenyan cuisine. I have never done this before. This is my first time cooking Mukimo. So I have my potatoes ready. You need your potatoes, you need pumpkin leaves and boiled maize. Boiling my potatoes and just making sure they are tender enough to mash them. I don't know whether you should boil all these things together or you should boil them separately like I have done, but we'll see how it turns out. I love Mukimo, but I've never known how to prepare it, and I said in 2024 we have to learn new recipes, and Mukimo was first on that list. I have mashed it. I think it's looking fine enough, and before I add the maize which I already boiled and pumpkin leaves, I will just make sure that they are finely blended. And so I add 2 scoops of my pumpkin leaves, I think it's looking nice. However, I would say that the pumpkin leaves is not that fine like I've always seen it on Mukimos I've had, but we'll see. The second thing is to add my boiled maize. This is yellow maize. I was sent this by my mom, and I said this is a perfect opportunity to try the Mukimorecipe, and so here goes my first attempt at cooking Mukimo. Tell me if I am doing it right, if this is how it's done, but I think it's coming out right and nice. I think the vegetable seems to be a lot, but let's fry it. I love the taste of kitunguu and coriander roiko on my Mukimo, so I wanted to give it a twist and a really nice flavor, and so that's what I'm doing here, just frying it and having my own twist to it. Adding my coriander, the final step, and just mixing it up together. I love the smell, I love the aroma, and this is what I was going for. I think it's fine enough. It's looking nice. For a first attempt, I am going to serve it and taste it and tell you how it tastes. It looks good, and of course it tastes good. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, my first attempt at cooking Mukimo. I think I did pretty good if you ask me. I have served it with some chilled water. I love chili and sauce in my Mukimo, so I have that there. Give me your thoughts and feedback on the comment. What do you think of my first attempt? What can I learn? I know there's so much to be learned, but I think I have done pretty good. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, and I will see you next time.